Hi, my name is Cameron Cruz.
And I'm Margot Bowie.
And today we're going to be showing you chemistry in everyday life through baking. Here are our ingredients.
Salt, butter, cherry pie filling, flour, sugar, baking powder, vegetable shortening, and eggs. Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the properties, composition, and structure of elements and compounds, how they can change, and the energy that is released or absorbed when they change. Chemistry is all throughout baking and cooking every day. When all the ingredients combine and a new substance is formed, a chemical change occurs.
Baking powder releases carbon dioxide twice during the baking process, once it hits water, and again when it reaches a certain temperature in the oven. As soon as the baking powder is stirred into a wet dough or batter, the two ingredients begin to react, releasing bubbles of CO2 and causing chemical leavening.
This is the equation for chemical leavening. A chemical equation is a representation of a chemical reaction using symbols of the elements to indicate the amount of substance, usually in moles, of each reactant and product. Kneading the dough pushes the protein molecules together, allowing disulfide bonds to form, while also stretching these bonds, aligning the gluten into long sheets, which allows it to trap air more efficiently. In addition, kneading the dough hydrates the gluten. Hydration introduces small pockets of water in between the layers of gluten. During baking, these water pockets turn into steam and create the final rise of the dough, known as oven spring. Water hydrates the gluten as it is stretched through kneading.
Amino acids form the building blocks of proteins. Gluten is the protein that creates the structure of the dough.
In this specific recipe, the chemical reaction that occurs when the pastries are heated is the Maillard reaction when the pastries brown.
Visual clues that a chemical reaction has occurred is heat emitted and a color change in this case. When the baking temperature reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, sugar undergoes what is known as a Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction between amino acids, proteins, and reducing sugars. The result is browning, which forms the crust of many baked goods such as bread.
Now, are you my bestie now, Tofu? Yeah.
So them are delicious.
Hey, vlog!
Hey, vlog! Hi, vlog! Okay, so here we have handmade.